Our vision for Pro was to take the best capabilities of our other software products and synthesize all of the things that we're using in different products into a brand new single product. We are listening to our customers and building what they need, and they are giving us feedback that really matters. It's incredibly fast, it's incredibly powerful, and it allows you to interact with virtually any form of geospatial data and visualize it, analyze it, edit it, and share the results of your analysis with anyone in the world.
There is so much capability sitting inside of ArcGIS Pro. At its heart is this spatial analysis engine, or really thousands of tools, simple to use, that allow you to solve problems. We can analyze data that's 2D, that's 3D, that's multidimensional. We think about machine learning and deep learning and how they're useful in spatial workflows.
Our world is 3D, and some problems can only be solved in 3D. If you haven't used Pro yet, 3D is a great reason to get into it. There's literally a button that can take you from 2D to 3D. It's light years ahead of what we've ever had before.
Sharing is how we engage with the world. Sharing helps you tell your story. We designed Pro to be used by everyone. We made the Share tab a core tab on the ribbon so that when you open up the application, you can see all of the sharing capabilities centralized all in one place. It's much more user-friendly.
When you combine powerful GIS environment with stunning visuals, it makes it a lot easier for people to understand. There's really nothing out there that compares to the visuals that Pro allows you to do.
There's so much that this software can do, and streamlined editing is such a crucial part. Being able to edit quickly and efficiently and accurately will allow our users to get this data into the hands of the people that really need it.
The team behind ArcGIS Pro is almost 60 teams with over 600 people. Pro actually has capability to address virtually any industry. You can customize ArcGIS Pro for what is germane to that industry, what matters to you. Our users are incredibly diverse. They have important work to do. And we build software to enable them to make better decisions using geospatial data.